Do you want to make between $20 to $60 per hour without leaving the comfort of your own home? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different websites that allows you to make money daily without leaving the comfort of your own home. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 different websites that allows you to make money daily without leaving the comfort of your own home. But before we get to the channel, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push us within a wider audience, and it also allows YouTube to push us within an algorithm and allows us to leave these lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to mycreditapproved.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to mycreditapproved.com, check out the software, and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report. Now, let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video. Guys, I have a lot of meat and potatoes on this video. This video is going to help individuals, college students, or people that work in an office and have a lot of leisure time to make a lot more money in their spare time. Now, if you want a job option that's legit and gives you the opportunity to work at your own leisure time while making money on a daily basis, cash, guys, you came to the right video. So let's dive straight in. The first website that I want to talk to you guys about is called Cumi. Cumi is a free online browser slash survey website that allows you to make added income with surveys. Now, I know you're probably thinking this is another survey video, but it's not. This particular website ranges differences when it comes to normal survey websites. Let me explain. So the normal survey websites, they usually don't even pay you cash. They pay you some type of reward points or some type of gift card. This website is going to pay you cash and it's going to pay you daily, and there is no minimum cash out requirement. So this is what really stuck out to me the most when it came to this particular website, because it have all of these added benefits. Now, the payment plan for you to works just like a regular survey website. You will basically create a survey on some of your favorite brands and companies, and basically you will get paid per survey. Now, each survey ranges different prices, and the longer the survey, and the more complex the survey, the more money that you can make. Now, the prices that I've seen on the website can range between 80 cents to $1.50 per 6 to 8 minute survey. So you can already do the math right there on how much money you can make per hour just doing surveys. So I really look at this one not as a job replacement, but a added income opportunity for you to make some added cash, make some ends meet by just filling out surveys in your spare time instead of being on your phone. So that's number 1. Number 2 is called OneSpace. Now, OneSpace is a completed task company. So you can go onto the website. There are a series of tasks that they are hiring for, and you can see if you meet the criteria. The tasks that they are hiring for is data entry, writing, transcription, editing, market research, things like that. So if you do not see any of the criterias, or if you don't see any of the job markets that you are interested in on the website, then you can put the job market that you are certified or have prior experience in, and then once that job come available, you will be first in line. So that would be great. So the price point for the payment is around 0.035 cent per word. So every word you can make upward to almost 3 cents. So that's 100% great if you ask me, because the more words you type, if you are a transcriptionist or if you are a writer in general, this should be a breeze. I mean, mean, everything that you need to sign up is super easy, super user friendly, and it's not a long-winded process on getting started, signed up, and starting to making the money almost instantly. Now, they do have some type of assessments for different types of jobs to make sure that you are qualified for the job that you are working for. But this is cut and dry. It's not really anything out of the norm. Like I said, the more work you're going to type, the more added income that you can potentially bring for each individual job. So yeah, that's OneSpace. The third is called Online Verdict. Now, Online Verdict is a interesting company to me because it allows you to become a juror, but just online. Now, a lot of people don't like the jury duty in real life because they have to take time out their day. They have to go through a long-winded process. And a lot of people like me, I just don't like courtrooms. So if you ask me to go into a courtroom voluntarily, it's not going to work. But Online Verdict allows you to basically be a juror, do everything that a juror would do inside the courtroom just online. Now, they allow you to get paid upward to between $20 to $60 per verdict. Each verdict can range between 1 hour to complete, so you can make upwards to $60 per hour depending on how many verdicts you are going to do and how many verdicts that you have time to complete. Now, the qualifications for doing this job is pretty simple, guys. It's not rocket science or anything like that. For the most part, you just have to pass your verdict whether you see the defendant as guilty or innocent, and you answer some basic questions on the website to get onboarded, and it's simple as that, guys. Like I said, between $20 to $60 per hour, essentially, because like I said, the verdict averages takes around an hour, and that can be a little longer or a little less. Now, if you are a person that know how to make verdicts and you are the easy decision maker, you can make $60 an hour faster than $60 than an hour. You can make $60 faster than an hour if you are deliberating on your verdict a little faster than the average time. Now, I'm not asking you to, rush the process, but like I said, you can make it faster. You can make $60 an hour, or you can possibly make it faster depending on your time of deliberation for your verdict. Now, this tool is great because it allows lawyers and allows attorneys and counselors to basically get a bird's eye view on their case and a new set of eyes for building their case up properly. I think that this is a great tool for any type of personnel that's in this industry that's looking to basically get a new set of eyes and to build a stronger case. And guys, that's Online Verdict. Now, number four, last but not least, is CallEnrol. Enroll is basically a company that allows you to be a user interface specialist. Now, let me explain what that is. Now, a UXI specialist is basically a person that review websites, so to speak. You are going to review a lot of different brand ideas before they actually go live. So you can review logos, you can review color schemes, you can review themes on the website, you can review the fluctuation on how the text is on the website, etc., etc. So that's basically what you're going to do. You're going to go on a website and basically review it, see exactly what stands out to you the best and what stands out to you the worst, and you will basically deliver a test for each individual website or brand. Now, each individual test on this particular website pays around between $2 to $10 per test. Now, I forget what the duration of time it takes to complete a test, but I do believe it's around 15 minutes. I might be wrong on that. But the faster you get done with the test, the faster you will actually be able to get paid for the services and the more money you can accumulate through the duration. Now, in my opinion, with these 4 websites, they are not real job replacements, so to speak. If you have a good job, this is not real job replacement, but they are added income resources. So if you do have a job, if you are a stay-at-home mom and your kid is napping, you can make some added income. Now, I would recommend for you guys to literally do all of them. I don't see why anyone would not do all of them because it gives you the best opportunity and the best possibility to make the most money. And that's basically the point of this video, to put you guys in a position to make money daily. Now, some of these might work better than others, but like I said, I will exhaust all potential opportunities when it comes to these websites, because the upper mobility when it comes to capital and retaining it on a daily basis is endless. It really just depends on your pace, and it depends on the time that you put into the product. Guys, let me know in the comments how you feel about this product. Do you think that these websites are a benefit? Do you like the stay-at-home jobs, or are you looking for some different options? Let me know in the comments how you feel about these particular websites, and going forward, what is your goal in regards to stay-at-home income? Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.